Hey, what is up? This is a Radical Academy and welcome to my channel. So in this video, we'll be looking at mathematics and the topic is Introduction to Linear Programming. Okay, so that's the topic we'll be looking at. Now, I want you to understand that linear programming is a very interesting topic in mathematics because it's a topic that helps us with our daily basic kind of a decision that we do make almost every day, meaning whether you want just to make personal decisions, whether you just wanna go to the market and buy something, well, you just have to use linear programming concept. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to introduce to you some of the key concepts about linear programming and the fundamentals and the basics about linear programming. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified that we as a Radical Academy we have actually posted the new video or posted any kind of educational content so that you never miss any single update on our channel. Now, in this video, we have to understand what we mean by linear programming, or in the actual sense, what does linear programming mean? Anyway, I will not dive into the definition of what is a linear or what is a programming, but nevertheless, I want to say that when you talk about something that we are calling linear, then it comes from the word comes from the word line, okay? And then this line should be a straight line, okay? Straight line, okay? So what are these basics, okay? So the first thing that you're supposed to know in linear programming is, first of all, to understand that before we shall come to the actual linear programming, there are some of the inequalities, okay? Inequalities that we must be able to learn, okay? And it is these inequalities that will help us, to come and conceptualize what linear programming is all about, okay? So let us learn about inequalities, or rather inequations, okay? So first of all, now, what is an inequation? Okay, an inequation is just a logical statement of something, okay, that you're trying to figure out. Okay, so for example, the word inequation, okay, it comes from the word equation, okay, or inequality, okay. You are trying to compare two things, okay. So the word inequation comes from the word inequality, or maybe equation, okay. So we know that, for example, so an equation is a statement, okay? It's a statement about, for example, a certain, logic, okay? So let's say, for example, or a certain problem. If I say x plus 2 should be equal to 10, okay? So if you say x plus 2 equals to 10, then the symbol there, the mathematical symbol there, is an equation. I mean, it's an equal sign, okay? So the mathematical symbol there, it is an equal sign, okay? So even when you talk about an equation, okay, we are just talking about the opposite of this symbol, the equal sign, okay? Now, under the idea of linear programming is that we don't use the symbol, the equal sign, because we want to actually make decisions, okay, that are favorable to the certain conditions that we are looking at. For example, you go to the market, and then you have got 100 kwacha right in your hand, but you want to buy certain things, okay, within that 100 kwacha. So everything that you want to buy must be, the 100 kwacha should be enough for the stuff that you want to buy. But now here comes the scenario, okay? So the market changes, the prices when the market changes depending on how business is going. The business might be okay or not okay depending on the scenario, okay? But the point is, if I have 100 kwacha, okay, so I should ensure that my budget is within the. Don't forget.